I know. I feel like Budri in that thing. I know that the sun. On the Depon vlog, they I watch another vlogger. What's up? I think her name is Journey with Joe. I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna know me get this urge a while ago. Say, oh, just go to the beach, go chill a little bit. So maybe me do that. Honestly, me don't know. But until then, I just go and chill. I feel like I might go though. Let's see if the rain set up to fall in the evening, because I've been checking the forecast and it says, the afternoon hours it's gonna be rain, So let's see. But if it doesn't rain, if it doesn't set up like it's gonna rain, then I'll probably go to the beach, just go chill a little bit. Maybe like an hour and a half. Time is now 9 o'clock. Almost 10 o'clock, about 9 o'clock. So yeah, let's see what happens. I want the goggles, isn't it? Just done clean the bathroom, wash up the plates, and I'm really tired right now. I'm telling you the truth. I really want to go to the beach, but I'm so tired that I don't even want to leave the house. I just want to go get clean, and then sleep, find something to eat, then sleep. I'm telling you, man. You don't believe me? Me tell them that say them are actually are test glasses. Yeah, man. They're actually tested, so I'm not just for idleness sake. I think I probably told you this already still, but yeah. They're actually tested, and I use them instead of like my other glasses whenever I do like things that require me moving around in a rough way. You know what I mean? Yeah, clean the bathroom and you scrub things you want. Your glasses stay up on your face because you want to be able to see, but you don't want to drop off when move up and down and them thing there. And it's like a goggle, so it kind of protect your eyes also. When you get it for have to play basketball, so that when I up on the court, I can still see and them thing there. But yeah, that's what's up now. I'm gonna straighten back the bathroom and bed. But if I go to the beach, why sense for bed now? But I don't know, yeah, man, you figure it out. Just as I go put on my other foot of shoes. My other foot of shoes. Here he is. Say, you think you're a bad boy? Our rounds are kind of clear, But up in the hills, that's a different thing. That's so me want to go. Yeah, other direction me want to go, but just as I go put on my other foot of shoes. Bag everything, ready for move. Took it we. The time I say 12, well it just changed to 12:42, but it's actually 11:42. I'm up here waiting on the market to go to that little supply zone. I never can see it. But I wait for if you go there, so probably soon go to my bed. I set a timer for like maybe like 30 or 40 minutes. Wake up, I can check if I go up there. But I'm waiting. I'm still there on AUD CAD. That was still there on, isn't it? Now like there so, and I scroll through IG a while ago and see some big steel stew peas. At the same time, I just feel for some big steel stew peas. I don't know. I don't have the energy to go make that. Definitely not now, but thinking about it for like tomorrow, no. That not go work. That not play. I just humble myself here, man, and swallow my spit. And go to bed. Or drink some water and build back about me there and think about stew peas. Boy, chest high. Chest high, brother. Got your bed, bad dog. Time says 6:24, but it's actually 5:24. Okay? Just know that my laptop is a 1 hour ahead, right? So I'm back Just wake up to like check what going. The market is in our little zone. What did I look fun? That's our supply zone. Put in my trade already. Well, I'm gonna try go out so we can see what I go on. Yeah, alright, cool. So this is our little, this is our zone right there. So the zone here. So I want to see market do it or do, you know what I mean, and drop. Currently not do what it's supposed to do, but what are we gonna do? I already put in with trade so I make the market do what it's supposed to do. You understand? Soon go back on my bed. Go all asleep, you know. And then we wake up later on, maybe like 8 o'clock and so see what you do. What I want to see the market do right now, even if you inside that zone, just move sideways in the zone. Then you know say, yeah. Hold on. You know say, right, you know say wrong place I put in stop loss.
Robot!
Yo people, like wrong place I put my stop loss, you know? So I get stop out early. My stop loss supposed to be up here, so I don't know. I must say I just wake up, I put my stop loss right there, so I'm my brain. I want to re-enter the trade, but I think maybe that's a sign. So if you just chill. But if I'm going to, I'll re-enter, but with a smaller position. And put my stop loss at the right place. Alright, I need to go back and finish sleep then. I know somebody double check and my mind tell me say my stop loss there at the right place. Me I say alright, that, boom, boom. Instead of 8, it was actually a 7. Good morning, man. How you doing today, man? So I go get some breakfast, you know, then we check the charts, you know, see what's good. So yeah, Ole Eedyat. Hey. I don't know what that was. You know, it's not really breakfast I can make. Just I have like a butter kiss and some tea. And I say if you drink tea hot, I don't like my tea too hot, so you don't know. We just halfway with the hot water, the next half room temperature, and it's perfecto. It's perfecto. Time is now 9:06, but I don't know 1 hour behind with the in a real time. So it's 8:06, you know. When we entered the trade last night, I don't know if you remember, right, at that little sitting there, so we seem to be in a small amount of profit, but no real big push to get us down there. I have like a trend line right there, so I want to enter a second position when it breaks free from that trend line. So right now it's moving sideways like I wanted to see it do at the supply zone. So the supply zone right there, so we need to drag it across some more, but yeah, let me just do that right quick. So see we supply zone there, it's moving sideways there. I think they're just gonna keep on dipping and dipping. Hopefully they don't break through it, and once the market like breaks free and come all the way down here, I look for enter a second position if it creates like a next maybe another 5-minute supply zone. So I just want to see break, because this is where all the sweet money is at. The money is sitting below here. Just go like that, and then I look for into a second position. But let's see how it plays out. You know, it's the volatile hour of the morning, so we gotta just chill and let the market do what it does. So while I am here waiting on the market to do what it does, today I saw defrost my fridge myself, because the heater which was here, I don't know if you remember, so I did take it out. You run under this one. But I kind of get tired of doing this now. So if you fix fridge or I know somebody will fix fridge, we can put in another type of heater so that I don't have to defrost my fridge myself. Let me know. Yeah, but until then, this may I use to make the time pass while the market does what it's doing. Yeah. As you can see, I'm doing a very good job. Don't clean the fridge and them thing there. As it relates to my trade, not much not really go on. I'm still a linger. But last week, I set up that trade, alright, on CAD CHF. And the man them just spend one bag of time doing your nonsense. Go really close to my stop loss, you know. But them never hit the stop loss. But me they end up come out of that trade because it was the weekend. It was going into the weekend and I did try make some withdrawals. Somebody just want to close off anything. I never hold it, no put in money. It was like a .02, so that's like 20 cents per pip. But look where I go on with the trade this week. And never did I close it out. But because me did I try to withdraw, that's the only reason why I close it. As you can see down at the bottom this one, really close to the stop loss. Really close. And then it spin round. And see it bust off, you know. We might be able to enter this trade, you know, but we have to go wait for a pullback to enter it properly. So there is still hope. Take a quick trek, go to the shop / supermarket / wholesale. See me can grab a couple things. I ain't gonna left me out still, but don't know how to things, but you see me. Yo, when we go buy the zine, the girl I say, when I tell her the purpose of I need it, I say I have to sweep outside, she'll say, if I can use this broom, I have to sweep outside. Why am I not get on a yard broom them? Broom my broom, brother. Broom my broom. But I know some people say, hey, man, a house broom that. You know, business, certain little things in a life where it is either or either, it neither or neither, I don't know. It don't matter, I don't care, I just broom my broom. Alright, quick update on the trade, people. You don't know the time, I said 1:11, but you don't know if we think the 1 hour behind, so at 12:11. We get stop out. We get stop out that trade. Wait, goddamn, that was almost the end of this. So we get stop out that trade. But it's lingering right at the supply zone. So I try to figure out what go on. On the AUD cat, them like to do the fake out, you know, and then turn around. But we keep an eye on it. If we break and close above the little level there, there. If we go above that, then we are scrapping trade altogether. And it's like it move like it go above that. So scrapping it altogether. Me done scrap it already. But just keep an eye out. Then I want AUD USD trade. And that's in profit. AUD USD, we got a 4 hours so I can see what I go on. I did buy somewhere down here so for a 0.02 and it's in profit. What I'm expecting this to do now is probably just base up here so, then take off again, then come back to the base, then fly away. That's how I wait for. So we see how that got me update, you know. Man, look at this trade, bro. Look at this thing. I'm so mad. What I say you go still. You see me, you win some, you lose some, brother. Goal look nice. It set up a little bit. When do you want to see goal come back right to that little area here? But it never come back there, so but it kind of bust way, so come back to this area, then shut off. That would have good if you can see that one goal. The same time I took the CAD CHF trade. I took this one also, but maybe I have to close out both of them. So they still have potential to do something. Just have to wait. I'll show you what I eat for lunch in a 5, 4, 3, 2, boom! Yeah, that I hot dog with hot dog bread, and then the fry egg, put the egg in our bread, then drop the hot dog upon the egg, then put ketchup on the hot dog, then fold it over like a little blanket, and yeah, that was lunch. Delicious. No cheese, because cheese, you know what cheese does. We talk like this over here, you know? What I need to do right now, I'm fixated on this little project to turn into an IG video, so that may I do. Well, I go and vlog me there. I wonder if I did like end the vlog. Like if I end it now or wait till I. But I think I gotta just end it now. Then I start check out some shots. I came out with a loss today, you know. Showing us saying every time I win. But we came out with a loss today, and I want to show now the market spin back and gone in a profit. See, I'm trading, but it looks like what had happened was it went and dipped in this zone right here, which is close to. We never did I pay attention to the supply zone there at all. But just I hope he dip in at 5 minutes where it did right there, so but it never it dip in there at this is how it did this morning. It dip in there and then it break through. But the market didn't really go further. And then you see it come back down now. And it's just dropping. I feel like it'll come back here so. It look like it in a range and go and bounce in that range until it's ready to take off. But the selling positions are so small that I feel like I'm more up you want to go. I watch it still, you know? I look on other trades for time too. I think I'll just call it a night.
You know the thing like up a chip me. I swear to God, people.
With some of them, I don't know my thing already. I don't know. Is it? So I look more.